It's safer for people to not call the fire department.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Brakes.
It's weird. I had my helmet, and then every time I get into the fire truck, it just goes away.
Oh, you.
Oh, people are wrecking back.
Yeah, look at it back there. Hitting poles.
Yup, hitting poles and everything else.
We're just evading.
Is this you in front of us, Bugs?
Yep.
Okay. I figured we're the ones sensibly driving at 80 miles per hour and everything else.
We're just evading.
Is this you in front of us, Bugs?
Yep.
Okay. I figured we're the ones sensibly driving at 80 miles per hour. Oh my dude! Engine multiplier back there.
Yep. Engine multipliers for sure.
No
ding,
Look at
way.
this. He did a
way.
360 and he kept going.
360 no scope.
I'm the
I got
highest
Chief literally sitting next to me.
Yeah, but we're all
I'm engine
Chiefs.
22.
Chief 404 approves.
Okay. 404 approves. Brakes! Oh, no. Get some help now. Oh my god, dude.
Brake upgrades, though. Where
What
are
is
those at?
Yeah,
hit the
this
pump.
is realistic.
This is pretty realistic.
Fire RP we have ever done. Like,
If
we're
you're a
just
real life
killing
firefighter,
it,
can you
man.
please comment
I see
below?
the fire.
Oh, I see the fire.
You see it? Oh,
Put it out over here.
who is that? That was that. You almost hit a coyote over here. That's really
He can't Tokyo.
Oh, I can Tokyo. I'm just giving it too much Gassio.
Gassio. What does that even mean?
Only Zach knows.
Yeah,
It's a
no one knows.
Zachism.
All right. We're definitely going back 10-8. Hang on.
Yep, 10-8. Going 10-8.
What is going on?
We're going
we're 10-8.
Oh, we
We're
10-8 all right.
Hold on.
Oh.
There's too much there.
Wait, Bugs, turn right. Yeah, there
This
you go.
is everything I
Full
hoped it would
send.
be.
Full send. Don't be
Same.
scared. Don't be scared. To the berms.
Oh!
181, taking flight.
Yeah.
Hitting the
Flaps
pole.
are set. Flaps are set.
traffic.
V-band rotate. Oh, I
All
just
right,
went
so
in the
now we
water.
know what we can get away with, Dave. That's our break. That was our braking action off of doing that.
Okay. We just need like 2 football fields. to start.
Yeah, just 2 football fields is all we need. All right, we're available.
Okay, glad
It
you
doesn't,
know.
you know what's great? Is it doesn't show in the
damn.
big map. So it's just on the small one. Go,
Yeah, we're responding at 140 miles an hour.
go eastbound,
I see
Joshua. There they go. Oh my God, they come. Oh my God.
Our trucks have 2,000 horsepower.
It
Inside
really
view.
doesn't make any sense.
Inside view response only. Inside view response only.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
That sounds
yeah.
cute.
Oh my, that is terrifying.
Oh, it's that
Come
warp
on, you're
speed.
my. I don't have my pace notes.
Oh, I hit a guardrail.
Tell me my pace notes, Chief.
I gotta go out.